Dongguan Suyi Electronics Co. Limited, located in Dongguan, Guangdong, is a comprehensive enterprise specializing in electronic wire harnesses and waterproof connectors for automotive, industrial, and consumer electronics sectors. Our products ensure reliable connectivity in demanding environments. With 4 flexible production lines, we achieve a daily output of 100,000 pieces, ensuring scalable supply for both large volume orders and small batch customizations. Our 1,500 square meter factory is equipped with advanced machinery, including 10 automatically cutting machines, 12 stripping machines, and 15 vertical injection molding machines, enabling precision and efficiency. These machines, operated by skilled technicians, guarantee consistent quality and tight tolerances. Our team of 45 experienced professionals, including 2 dedicated R&D engineers, drives innovation and rapid prototyping. Our engineers use cutting-edge software to develop customized solutions and quickly turn concepts into prototypes. We offer comprehensive customization design, labeling, packaging, color, and size to precisely meet client specifications. Quality is assured through a strict system enforced by 4 inspectors, covering raw materials to final testing with rigorous tests, such as tensile strength, waterproofness, and electrical continuity, ensuring durability, safety, and compliance with international standards. Our commitment to quality has earned us certifications like ISO CE and RoHS. Leveraging years of export experience, we serve brand owners, retailers, wholesalers, and manufacturers across North America, South America, Europe, Asia, etc. Our dedicated after-sales team provides robust support, maintain ample inventory, using advanced systems to fulfill urgent orders, rapidly minimizing downtime. Dedicated to continuous improvement, we strive to deliver exceptional value and lead the industry with expertise and reliability.